Oh! I didn't know that. Second. Oh! Nice hack. Okay. Okay. Okay, there is a corner. Plus 6. So 40 centimeters. Nice to know. Nice to know. No way, really? For circles, to draw circles. No way. You just need some glue. Don't forget to follow me, guys, for more videos every day. Oh, there is a magnet to the end of the measure. You can just use your thumb, but of course it's easier to use it with a magnet. Oh, perfect circles. I didn't know these hacks, but I think people who work with measure tapes like every day, maybe they know it. Oh. Number 8. Okay. Okay. Don't write them, just mark them. Of course. Other color, okay, of course, of course. When you have some brain, you can use this hack by your own. Number 9. With a cutter knife. Awesome.